everything you'll ever need to know about cable lateral raises. This move primarily targets the lateral deltoid, the part of the shoulder responsible for width. You'll also hit the anterior deltoid, posterior deltoid, upper traps, and supraspinatus, which helps initiate the lift. Cables are a great choice because they provide constant tension, especially in the stretch position, which is often missing with dumbbells. Now let's move on to perfect form. Use a weight that allows a 12 to 15 rep range with strict form. Set the cable to hand height. This increases tension earlier in the movement when your delts are in a more stretched position, making the raise more effective. Stand sideways to the cable with your feet shoulder width apart. Keep a slight forward lean to bias the lateral delt and engage your core for stability. Grab the cable handle with your working hand. Use your free hand to hold the tower for balance. Turn to your side while lifting your chest and actively retract and depress your shoulders. This optimizes alignment for your lateral delts and rotator cuffs. Begin with the handle slightly across your body to get more range of motion and a better stretch at the bottom. Raise your arm by leading with your elbow, not your hand, in the scapular plane around 30 to 45 degrees forward from your torso, not directly to the side. Your elbow should be slightly bent around 10 to 20 degrees and at the same height or slightly higher than your hand throughout the movement. This ensures that the lateral delt is doing the work. Avoid letting your hand rise above your elbow. This shifts work to traps and front delts. Keep a neutral wrist. Don't bend it upward or downward. Keep your hand straight, as if giving a fist bump. Avoid pinky up or thumb up, which can shift focus to the forearms or traps. Stop just below shoulder height or slightly above if you can maintain delt tension. Slowly lower the weight back to the starting position. Avoid letting your chest drop or shoulders cave forward. And that's the perfect cable lateral raise. Let's take a look at few tweaks to try out. Number 1. Focus on your hand and arm orientation by thinking about pointing away from you. This cue helps maintain an externally rotated position that isolates your lateral deltoids more effectively. Number 2 is to use cuffs. Swap the handle for wrist cuffs to eliminate grip strain and improve mind-muscle connection. Many lifters also find they can get more reps this way. Number 3, if you're feeling the front delt taking over, increase your forward lean slightly from the hips to re-emphasize the lateral delt. Number 4, to save time, you can do the movement with both arms simultaneously only if you can maintain strict form. Maintain the same setup and control for each arm. Number 5, set cables behind your body. This can give you a greater stretch at the bottom and easier dual arm execution. And finally, let's address some common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, shrugging the shoulders. If your traps are kicking in, you're not isolating your delts. Instead, keep your shoulders depressed throughout the movement. Mistake number 2, using momentum. No swinging. If you need to swing, the weight is too heavy. Instead, use controlled strict form with a manageable weight. Mistake number 3, bending the arms too much. Overbending reduces lever length and tension on the delts. Instead, keep a soft bend in the elbows but maintain mostly straight arms for max tension. Mistake number 4, doing them all at the same time. Which of these mistakes have you caught yourself doing? Drop a comment below and let me know. Check out these videos if you want to learn more. Until next time, verið sæl.